Hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithyani and welcome to my channel Mr. Lazy Tech. And this video is all about काफी भारी है. this. This is the Boat Stone 1500. These are the recently launched Bluetooth speakers from Boat and its price is approximately 7,000 rupees. So I'll do the unboxing of these speakers and let's see what all we get inside the box, give you the basic overview and give you a sound test as well, and let's see whether these speakers are worth at this price range or not. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So this is the box of the Boat Stone 1500 Bluetooth speaker you will be getting once the product is reached to you. And behind the box they have given a lot of features over here, and I must say they have given a very heavy and bulky boxing over here. Let us just quickly unbox this thing and let's see what all we get inside this heavy box. So inside this box on the top, first of all they have given a small box as well. Let us just see what all we get inside this small box. There must be some stuff and all. So first of all you will be getting the strap to carry this Bluetooth speaker wherever you want according to your convenience, and they have given a good quality of strap over here, I must say. And a Boat branding stuff, you can just go through it once. Some other stuff as well, you can just go through it once and see all the instructions and specifications of this Bluetooth speaker. And you will be getting 1 year of warranty with this one. That is a good thing. And an aux cable, you can just input the aux cable and play music from there as well, apart from the Bluetooth connectivity. And a type C of port, I like the type C of charging port. They have given charging cable to charge the speakers. Now apart from the small box, they have given this big box as well, and you'll be getting the main Bluetooth speaker inside this big box. So let us just unwrap this beast and let's see how it is. And they have given a very bulky and premium quality of product, I must say. So overall it looks very premium and little bit heavy, and these are the bass radiators. You will get the best bass experience using both the radiators. And on the top they have given this hooks. You can just plug in your strap over here and carry the Bluetooth speaker wherever you want, and all the buttons like play, pause, answer call, reject call, next track, previous track, volume up, down, they have given on the top. And on the back side they have given this slot. You can just input your USB connectivity, USB cable, aux cable, and the charging port they have given inside this slot. You can just charge your Bluetooth speaker from here. Now coming to the specifications part, you will be getting 40 watts of powerful output with this one, with Bluetooth version 4.2 and IPX6 water and shock resistant feature as well. And you will be getting 4000 mAh of battery, which will provide you up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge. And it comes with passive radiators for grooving and thumping bass experience, so you'll get the best bass experience using this one. And connectivities की बात करें, you'll be getting Bluetooth connectivity, aux connectivity and USB connectivity with this Bluetooth speaker. And you can carry your Bluetooth speaker using this strap, so you can carry your Bluetooth speaker wherever you want according to your convenience. So this was the unboxing and the basic overview of this Bluetooth speaker. Now have a look at the sound test and let's see how these are. as we can see here, they have given a very powerful sound. इसको मैंने फुल वॉल्यूम पे सुना, कोई इशू नहीं आया, कोई डिस्टॉर्शन नहीं आया, साउंड बिल्कुल क्लिस्टर क्लियर था और बहुत ही पावरफुल एंड पंचिंग बेस भी था. एंड जिसमें जो ट्विन ब्लास्टर्स बेस दिए गए हैं बहुत ही अच्छा इफेक्ट देते हैं, तो आपको ओवरऑल साउंड का बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है. सो अगर आप ट्रिप्स के लिए, आउटिंग के लिए अगर आप कंसिडर करते हैं ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर, यू कैन डेफिनेटली कंसिडर दिस थिंग एज एन ऑप्शन. देयर इज नो इशू रिगार्डिंग दैट. एंड अगर आप छोटी मोटी पार्टीज भी अरेंज करना चाहते हैं तो भी आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ अ प्लस पॉइंट. बस थोड़ा मुझे एक चीज़ ये लगे कि अगर इसका प्राइस अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 6,000 रुपीज़ के अराउंड होता, सो इट विल बी द बेस्ट ऑप्शन टू गो एट दिस प्राइस रेंज. थोड़ा मुझे प्राइस का ज़्यादा लगा 7,000 रुपीज़, बट considering the price range they have given a very, means you can really say it is a beast to consider at this pricing. There is no issue regarding that. और ये थोड़ा बहुत हैवी भी है, अगर आप इसको कंसिडर करेंगे. बस ये है कि थोड़ा बहुत हैवी है तो आप इसको ज़्यादा देर तक होल्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो आप उसको रखना ही पड़ेगा प्ले करने के लिए. So this was all about the unboxing and the overview and the sound test of the Boat Zone 1500. I'm also leaving the link in the description part below. You can click from there and buy it from there as well. And if you have any question regarding this speaker, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll help you out with that. So hope you like this one. And as I told you, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one and see you in the next video. Thank you.